Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's really exciting. We're doing a what's in my bag travel edition. This is my carry-on bag. As you can see, the suitcase is right back there. I think this is like a chestnut color, not taupe. So yeah, I love this color. This bag is humongous. I love the pockets. It's so good for traveling. This is my ASOS bag. I will link it below if it's still online. If it's not, I will link something similar. And I also want to let you guys know that this is my actual everyday makeup. It's minimal. It's maybe 2 or 3 products. So if you want to see my literal everyday makeup that I wear on a daily basis in my actual life, then give this video a thumbs up and I will do my minimal everyday makeup look. So give this a thumbs up if you want to see that makeup video, and I will jump right into the video. So I'm gonna start with the body of the bag. This is it. And first things first is this jacket. It's a Tommy Hilfiger jacket, but I love this particularly for traveling because it's a pillow also. So the jacket is in a bag, and when you get cold, you literally would just like take the jacket out of the bag, and it looks like this. So it's like a full-fledged jacket, which is perfect for when you're flying. You can get cold, you just pull it out the bag, and if you're not cold, then you simply put the jacket in the bag and you have a pillow. So I love this. So the next thing in my bag is this book, The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck. If you guys have seen my How to Be Happy video or my New Year's resolutions video, or follow me on Snapchat, which all those will be linked below, then you know that lately I have just not been giving a fuck. I thought I was individual. Like I thought that was something exclusive to me, and then I found a book that kind of put all of my feelings into words and kind of like enunciated what I wasn't quite sure how to phrase yet. So I love this book. If you want to know where my mindset is at right now, this is 100% this book. Like I'm obsessed with it. It's so good. The next thing in my purse is this little pouch. So if you can see, this bag does not have an inside pocket. So that's why I have this little pouch. Like I love the bag. I'm not gonna not wear it because it doesn't have an inside pocket. I'm just gonna make my own. And that's this. So when we open this up, first things first, we have my Lush lip balm, which is vegan and self-preserving. I've had this for so long, I've had it forever. I think in my last what's in my bag video, and I just bought it and I'm still using it. Next in the pouch, I have a lighter. I just feel like it's always something good to have. There we go. And then I have a tampon, which you should always travel with. You should always carry one just in case, you never know. So yeah, that's what I would, normally keep in like a smaller inside pocket in my purse, but because I don't have one, I'm using this little wallet. Next, I have Tic Tacs. I actually don't think these do anything for your breath. If you guys think Tic Tacs work for your breath, let me know, but I'm pretty sure they just taste good. So yeah, this is just like a little snack I have. I just literally like the way they taste. Next is my cell phone. I have the X and it's lovely. I have a charger. This should actually be in that little pink thing. And this is the connector. Okay, so the next thing in my bag are Burt's Bees facial cleansing towelettes, pink grapefruit seed oil, normal to oily skin. So as I said in my skincare video, I have combination skin. So my skin is oily in some places, dry in some places, normal in other places. So I like this. This to me balances out my oils the best. Like I said, I don't wear a full face of makeup on a daily basis. I literally just wear concealer and I fill in my brows and put on some eyeshadow and do a little bit more. So if I'm traveling really far or something and I don't want to wear any makeup, I love these. I'll just take off the little bit that I am wearing and it'll be good. It's like for overnight flights, for red eyes, for little things like that. It's great to just have some makeup removing wipes. Okay, so next thing in my purse, and this I've actually bought specifically for traveling. I bought this when I went to Cancun in college, and I still have it, and I've not switched to a different wallet. So this is a Michael Kors wallet, which I love. It's just a normal wallet, but it's not normal because when you do this is a little charger. So you literally put the USB part of your phone chargers, like my iPhone thing, you plug it into here, you turn this light on, and it will charge your phone. So you don't need to be like looking for outlets, you don't need to be looking for charging stations. You literally carry your charger, carry your wallet, plug your wallet and your charger in, and you can charge your phone. So Michael Kors, they have portable charging wallets, and I think it's incredible. So next is a pair of headphones, super tangled. Ooh. Okay, And then I have my keys, it's just my house keys. I might keep a little bottle opener on it. I drove to LA from New Jersey and this was like a Route 66, which is kind of the cross-country highway that you take to do that. So I just have this little keychain on my keys. Obviously, I'm gonna take my pepper spray off my keys before I go to any airports or whatnot. They will not let you through TSA with this, even if it's for your safety. It's for everyone's safety for you not to have it. So that's why I like these. I got this on Amazon. It's on its own key ring. So I literally just take this ring off of these rings and that's my keys. So the next thing in my bag is a pair of sunglasses and a sunglass case. I got this case from H&M, which I know you guys have seen the whole monkey fiasco, so I kind of feel bad that I'm like technically still supporting them, but I bought this like a very long time ago. And these are just some basic aviator sunglasses. I always travel with a pair of sunglasses. So for instance, I have a pair of pink lenses, but if I travel with my pink lenses, if I wore green or if I wear yellow, if I wear something, I would always be clashing. So when I just take a standard pair of aviators in a dark color, this is just like silver mirrored lenses, then it kind of goes with every single thing I'm wearing and I don't have to worry about my glasses not matching whatever I've packed. So the next thing in my bag is the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer. One, I love this because it's for nighttime. So if I'm like on a really long flight or something, I will use my Burt's Bees face wipes, take off my makeup, I don't even care. And then I will put on my Rapid Tone Repair Moisturizer and I will take a nap on the plane. Like I said, amazing for red eyes, things like that. Keep your skin moisturized and healthy and like have like a productive nighttime flight. So I like these. Also, also this locks, so that's open now, but when you turn it this way it's locked and it doesn't spill into your bag, which is I think really good. So I have another lighter. Apparently I'm a pyromaniac. So this I didn't realize was in here. This is actually the nail polish that I'm wearing right now. Sally Hansen Miracle Gel plus a top coat. This is literally what I'm wearing right now. This is the shade Pink Cadillac Core. So this is Pink Cadillac Core. I love this. Might be my new staple color. Maybe that's why it's in here, so I want to see my new staple color. Next I have a nail file. So next I have a nail file in my bag. Pretty standard. TSA doesn't care about these at all, which is really nice. And if you like chip a nail or something, it's real good to have. This is something you never know that you need until you literally need it, and that's why it's always good to just have one. I have one solitary dime and a chunk of hair. I have my Bath and Body Works pocket back. This is in Peach Bellini. The other day, where was I? When I was coming back from Atlanta, I was on the train in the airport and there were no more seats, so like I had to stand up and it moved, so I had to touch the railing and I could just literally feel like the grime on the railing, and it's just, oh. Think of the millions and billions of people traveling, they've all touched the same thing. You don't know if they've washed their hands, you don't know if they've sneezed, if they've coughed, if you, so hand sanitizer. And if the world used hand sanitizer, it would be a better place. Also, this is $1.75. There are no excuses. So the last thing in my big compartment is just this Nivea cream, which I think I also had in my last What's in My Bag, because these things you just use forever and ever and ever. Like I'm kind of low, but it's okay. And this again is only 1 ounce. You can take this through a carry-on, through TSA, it's okay. You don't have to like check your bag with this in it, so I love that. So that is all for my big compartment, literally. So in my little compartment, I have this lip gloss I'm actually wearing right now. You guys love this. Every single time I wear this lip gloss, you guys are like, Leah, what's your lip gloss? It's so beautiful. Thank you so much. This is actually my birthday lip gloss. I bought this when I turned 24, I must be 25, since you can see it's like I have this much of it left. So don't go buy it all before I buy my next one. This is MAC Explicit. But yeah, so you guys love this, go get it. MAC Explicit. It is as beautiful in person as it is on camera, I promise. I wear it all the time. The next thing in my bag is the iPhone X adapter. So what they don't tell you, or I think they do, but this comes with the phone. So if any of you are like, I don't want to get the new X because I don't want to have to get the thing to adapt my whole headphones to the phone, it comes with it. It's free. You don't even have to get the AirPods. The AirPods are like $100 and they don't come with the phone. So this, I can just, if I want to carry one set of headphones, then I just carry my old headphones, plug it into this and put this into my 10. Or if you want to carry multiple headphones, they do even give you a new pair of headphones with this as the adapter. You can plug it right into your charger. I like to carry multiple because you only get one port. I'd rather charge my phone and listen to my headphones and something else. So yeah, but in case you're worried about that, this comes with the phone. So next I have a fortune cookie thing, which I don't even think it's supposed to be in here, but it is, and I'm gonna read it because I like it. By staying strong in your convictions, you will prevail. I love this. I love this so much. So that is my little fortune cookie thing, and I think I just kept it because it's awesome, and it's still awesome. And the last thing in my purse, literally, that's it, is my passport. Now, I always travel with a passport because I feel like you just never know what's gonna happen. You never know where life's gonna take you. I remember when I was driving in Arizona, I almost accidentally went to Mexico, and like if I'd done that without a passport, like if I'd accidentally gone to Mexico without a passport, that would have been real bad. So I just like to keep my passport on me when I'm traveling because you don't know what's gonna happen. Like what if you lose your license? What if you lose your wallet? Like you need to have a passport with you at your location just so that you always have another form of identification. And then I also like to have passports because that's how I keep my boarding pass and my ID together. I will literally just pop the boarding pass in the passport, throw the passport right here, and every time I need it, it's in this pocket. So yeah guys, that is all that is in my carry-on travel bag. I put my passport back in there, but other than that, this is empty. This is literally what I use, everything I bring on an airplane, on a road trip. Also, my laptop is normally in this bag too, which is why I like how big it is. You can fit a whole laptop and a charger in there. It's just that I'm using my laptop to film this right now, and the charger is right there, and I just need to remember to grab that. So yes, I will see you guys in my next video. Give this a thumbs up if you want to see this makeup look that I got going on right now. Otherwise, give it a thumbs up if you like it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.